What's up, you guys? I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Ducati Streetfighter, where I am out on a early week ride, shooting some videos for you guys. But just dawned on me, there's nobody out here today. So let's get on this thing. Let's see how this thing does. So I'm gonna let her scream. I'll probably talk very little. I hope you guys enjoy the roars of this Ducati Streetfighter, but let's get going, guys. Construction up here, so we'll take it easy through this little area. So I'll tell you, you know, running this thing down at high speeds is like, it's so hard to hang on to this thing, I'll tell you. But what a blast. I mean, out here on the twisties, really, where we're really not doing high speeds, and we're really just, you know, we've got a couple spurts of the high speed. It's wonderful. It's just absolutely wonderful. Me and Bogner were just talking about yesterday, figuring out a track day and stuff. Oh, look, they're done. Oh, they're done already. I just came through here and they were tearing this up. So we were just talking about doing a track day, and you know, we said, you know, do we want to do, you know, I don't think that we would want to do like a big track like Thunderhill East, or like Big Willow or Button Willow regular. That we would probably rather do something like Thunderhill West, Streets of Willow, or do Button Willow Reverse, because Button Willow Reverse tends to be more for like the 300 styles, and so the smaller bikes, and being that we're both on nakeds now, it makes sense. So let me know in your comments down below. I think we should be getting up to the track, but let's see what we think out here. if you guys saw right there, when I shifted into 5th, or when I went up to 5th, it didn't go into 6th. It actually bumped and then went back down to 5th. So usually what happens right there is it will go into a false neutral, and I'll rev up and we'll be in a false neutral basically. So Ducati has recalled the quick shifter, and they have fixed this issue. I talked to a viewer this morning on Instagram, and he let me know. Actually, he was the one that let me know a couple of weeks ago that he asked me originally about a month ago if I had that issue, and I told him, I says, I don't really have that issue. And then he sent me a message a couple weeks later and was like, hey, they're recalling the quick shifter because of false neutrals. And I was like, oh, interesting. And then he hit me up this morning and said that he has got the recall done. And of course, the day that I took the bike to Reno was the day after they announced it, so Alam didn't really know anything about it yet. So he got it done, and he says it's fixed the issue. So if you guys have heard about it, you kind of saw it firsthand right there. So we're heading back to the dam in the glory hole. You guys have enjoyed the little bonus ride. I absolutely love the bike, guys, and I'm glad I could take you guys on my journey to getting this thing done. So question to you guys that are still sticking around, what other bike would you guys like to see in the collection? I've been kicking around getting another bike. I'm having a hard time because I absolutely love this thing. I have an adventure bike, and I really love the Tiger. I have the Racer, which I really love the Racer. And I really don't care to go back to a street bike. But let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. But I hope you guys enjoyed the ride down through Berryessa. A little pace picked up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and of course smash that like button. Leave me comments down below. We're real active in the comments, but thank you guys for all the support and the views on the Streetfighter. But we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.